Hello everybody, welcome to the ETABS and Save course. Now in this section we will begin to draw the slabs. And story 1 we have waffle slab type 1. So we go to this option. Before the lecture before we use this option to draw the stair here, but here we don't have a rectangular slab because we have the slab as without this area. So we will use the contour option. We press here to draw and we choose waffle slab type 1. So because we are in story 1, we began with the contour. Here we began to draw here with this section. On this joint, we began on the joint, not on the edge of the column, on the mid center and on the centroid of this column. We go to here, then we go to here, to the centroid of this column, then to this corner. Okay, we want to neglect this area from drawing, so we go to here, then here. Here we have opening, so to here, then here. We want to neglect this area because it is an opening, and this area because it is an stair. So we go to here, then to here, then here. Then we return to the first point that we began with it. So now we draw the slab, waffle slab. To show the shape of this ribs and this slab, we can go to set display option here, and slab internal ribs. We check here to show the slab internal ribs. We press OK. So as we show here, this ribs of waffle slab type 2, we can show it. Then we can press here to the slab, select it. We are here and all stories, so we can put here one story, then go to story 2. Story 2 we have waffle slab type 1. Here we show that waffle slab type 1. So we can change it. We can select this slab and press right click and change it from waffle slab type 1 to waffle slab type 2, and then press OK. So we can show here that this we have waffle slab type 2. The spacing decrease between the ribs because changing from 1.6 meter to 0.6 meter. And story 3 we have one-way ribbed slab, so we change it to one-way ribbed slab. Okay, one-way ribbed slab. We show here that the ribs, we have ribs and one-way direction and the Y direction. And story 4 we have flat slab, so we change it to flat slab. No internal ribs, no ribs and no beams, and flat slab. And we have we can put here all stories, select the stories, and then put here one story to deselect the story 4, 3, 2, 1, and instead to right click on the slab. So here we have selected the story from 5 to 16, and instead to press right click and changing the type of slab, we can go to assign shell because we work with the slab section, and put here solid slab. So we are finishing to modeling and define the slab and type of slab. Thank you for listening. We will continue in the next session.